What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. Really quick, thank you guys so much for tuning back in for Monday's video. And starting off, guys, title and thumbnail today's video, you can see, yes, once again, I changed up some wheel and tire setups, but this time it was actually a setup that I've wanted for the longest time. Got another piece of cat hair, hold on. Yes, I have wanted this wheel and tire setup for some time now. The Forge Stars, the F14s that I'm about to show you, I got on the car, but it was kind of a deal package from Gordon when I picked up the leather Recaros. Ever since then, I liked them, but a lot of comments, and you know, a lot of people were also saying what I thought as well, as they looked kind of cheap. And it's actually funny because those Forge Stars are far from cheap, and they're a lot more expensive than what's on the car now, but I feel like this look is just, it fits me so well. I'm excited again about the car, and you know, if your car looks good, I just feel like you enjoy it a lot more, at least for myself. Guys, I know, gosh, I don't even know where to start with this. Last week, I said a lot of things on video because I had some huge plans happening. Unfortunately, that is not happening right now. I don't want to go too much into it as of right now. So we do have the Forge Stars here. These are actually already sold, and it's a pretty shitty story, to be honest with you. A subscriber actually bought these last week, and I think he had like an 8-hour drive to Richmond to come pick them up, which he was supposed to come get them today, but 3 hours or 2 hours into his trip, him and his friend were doing 70 on the highway and hit a deer and completely obliterated the deer, and their truck is, I think, almost totaled. So if you're watching this, man, I'm so sorry that happened. You know, these are going to be here for you. I'm going to wash them up, clean them up, detail them, and store them for you. So there is no rush, man. They're yours. But with the Forge Stars right there, I do want to go ahead and show you guys the new setup. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you're not following, go follow at DerekBaranProductions. But the new setup, guys, my gosh, it's amazing. And we got some meat thrown on here this time. So check them out. The new wheel and tire setup. Bang, bang, and these actually might look familiar, but check out the rears, guys. Fitment is on point, and we got the Nittos on here, and I actually didn't go with the NT305s because, you know, I wanted some grip, I wanted some meat on there. Went with the Nitto NT305s. It's going to be like their drag radial version, and I know there is like an NT305R, which is like, but these are, you know, kind of street drag radial type stuff, which obviously I drive the car a lot, and I don't need the track setup, but these are going to be 305, 35, 19s. And these things are a beast, man. Like, you haven't seen in the video yet, but for the fun of it, after I put them on, you know, I let them warm up a little bit, and I smacked it in second gear, and my gosh, what a difference a tire makes. And up front here, we have the two 75s, 35 19s, and you know, they clear the Brembos, nice and shiny SVE R355s. And shout out Late Model Restoration. If you guys are gonna go check out these wheels, there's a link in the description. Make sure you go buy them. By far, my favorite setup I've had on the car to date.
That's super sick, dude.
Who the fuck invited Peter Pan?
What do you mean, Peter Pan?
Give him his fucking boots back.
Not even close.
Those are on the fucking money, bro.
Victory is ours.
Damn, she bitched you, bro.
I'm gonna go fuck yourself.
Ben, you actually have to sit behind me because Ramina's a little too heavy. It's gonna be too much side on the right side of the vehicle.
Son.
Turn that off.
Pretty much, guys, last week I was mentioning that, you know, I was getting a new wheel and tire setup because we're planning for some power for Lucifer. I was supposed to be working with somebody to get boost put on this car. I'm gonna be straight up with you. And, you know, how do I say this? I don't wanna...
You in the ass.
No, I didn't.
Pretty much, guys, don't believe absolutely anything unless you know these people 100%. That's all I'm gonna say. I got tricked, I got played, I got scammed, and there was a lot of legal shit that happened that I could have pursued, but you know, I'm gonna be the bigger person. I'm gonna let it go. I have tons of blessings in my life, and yeah, it's kind of BS. I'm not gonna go into it. Ben knows, Ramina knows. It's a very unfortunate circumstance, and I was so excited to have boost up put on this car, but it didn't happen. It's whatever. We're moving past it. We got big things coming regardless. You know, we are still looking for a badass house with a lot of garage, and as soon as that happens, project car is gonna be #1 on our priority list. But until then, I don't want to get a project car and like have everything over here at my father's house. Like, trying to get out of the house right now as we speak. Ben's on board, Jordan's on board, and it's gonna be us three. But we need garage space, and it's just so hard to find something here in Richmond with garage space. You know, it's how long have we been looking? Oh, what do you know? We need gas. Actually, no, that's not exciting. That's not exciting. I need y'all to turn it down. Damn, man, what do you know? We need gas, guys. once a day. Bitch is thirsty though, just like my girlfriend. Alright, so we're gonna try to catch up to this Shelby. I think it was like a 08 maybe.
Whatever this dude.
You lost, bro. Fucking lost, my dude.
I don't see him.
Left lane, white stripes.
Oh.
Let's go! Damn, he's moving, bro. Come on, man. It's a GT. Damn, he don't give a fuck, bro. I seriously sit here, risk my license just to catch up to this guy, and this is what I get. All right, mission number 2. We got another 5-0 up here somewhere. This is like playing with fire. You realize that? Oh, it's that old guy. It's the same guy. It's the same guy from that video.
I was trying not to be awkward.
Yeah, that's the Roush. That's the same guy. How funny is that? So I actually ran into this guy a couple months ago, and that's the one that I kind of ignored. Oh.
Ooh, we got a little pep going.
Yeah. But that is him. That's funny. Sit in this seat right here. I crack open the box of my sandwich, and the hash brown goes right down into the crack.
Is it still there?
No, but I was pissed because I spent $1 on it. I'm going with the buffalo. This one, chicken and waffles. Ben's life has changed. Let's go ahead and piss some people off real quick. You know, you just have to.
That shit was like.
Dude, you can feel it shake the whole fucking. That was pretty insane. Look, he got the sticky up. We're here. Love this setup so much. Just show him. Just look at this. Just give him a little walk around, babe. Nice and perfect.
You like the new shoes?
Love them.
Thanks.
Alright, excuse me guys, so we're gonna go ahead and let Ben do his thing. Jordan should be here any minute. I needed photos for the gram, but I love it. I love it a lot. We got Puss in Boots over there behind the camera. Get it.
Go get him. Go get him.
I see a fucking 9-foot shadow, right? He ain't sneaking up on anything. Howdy, Dad. I am currently in the car going to look at a potential home that Ben, Jordan, and myself might be able to get. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous, so I have to show up, take a look to see if I can get a hold of anybody. I've been messaging on the Facebook and Zumper ads and nothing yet, but I want to make sure I am the first one that has opportunity to get this, because you guys will see why in just a moment. So as soon as we get there, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the camera again, but right now have to focus on driving. And yeah, see you guys in just a minute. Pulling up to the neighborhood now. Kind of nervous. These houses are absolutely huge. Yeah, I'm just nervous. I hope to God there's like a sign or something in the front yard.
100 feet. The destination is on your left.
I'm almost there. Oh, I think that's it right there. I think it's up here to the left. Oh, there's a sign! There's a sign! Let's go! There's a sign, guys. Oh, shit.
Arrived.
Oh, we about to call, fam. I'm literally so nervous right now, fam. Oh, I've been waiting so long and I just want to get a house so bad, but here it is. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show you, but I am gonna call because it's like pulling teeth to find a phone number to contact on these websites. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a call, see what goes on. We'll send the photo to Jordan and Ben as well. And shout out to Ramina for finding this place. Hopefully we can get this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this over with. All right, guys, just giving you a quick look. This home is in the cul-de-sac. Beautiful home, cul-de-sac over here. It is for rent. That's exciting because it's literally everything we would want and then some. 2-door garage, and I think it's 4-bedroom, 3-bath. That's just like exciting me. Big, nice paved driveway, and in the back here, it actually has some land too. So, nice deck as well. This house was posted 6 hours ago. Can't be with so many people that are like trying to snag this thing. I wouldn't think, but wish just luck, fam. Wanted to bring you on this journey. As I mentioned, I'm gonna keep doing that. As far as this house though, guys, I really hope this is it. All right, guys, so I just got back from looking at the house. It would just be amazing because it has that 2-door garage. It's huge, and nonetheless, and yeah, Lucifer would have a little garage spot, and we can start finally working and focusing on the car. So I already know what's coming. All the comments saying, Derek, that's all you do is switch wheels, tires, blah, 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 blah. I get it, I get it, I get it. Just do yourself a favor, don't even comment it because I just don't care what you say. All the negative comments, I just truly don't care. So I just go ahead and post these videos just for the fans out there. And again, like I said, big things are gonna be coming soon. It's just stepping stones in life I gotta take. Number 1 priority is the house, 2 is the car. If you guys can't accept that or agree with that, you need to reevaluate your own lives. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning back in. We will see you Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. But until next time, see you later.